If you still think masks are only for hiding objects, you're missing one of the most powerful tools in After Effects. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to remove an object in After Effects. First, import your video into After Effects. Then double-click the footage to open it in the Layer panel. Now, select the Roto Brush tool and paint over the subject you want to remove. You can hold Ctrl while dragging to increase or decrease the brush size. If you make a mistake, simply press Ctrl-Z to undo it. If you accidentally select an unwanted area, hold Alt to switch the brush to subtract mode, then paint over that area to remove it from the selection. Once your subject is fully selected, go to the settings and set alpha expansion to 10. Change Fill Method to Object and set the range to Work Area. Make sure to enable Invert Foreground Background. Your preview should now look like this. Now click Generate Fill Layer, and After Effects will automatically remove the selected object. As you can see, the person has disappeared from the shot. After that, select your original footage and delete the temporary Roto Brush layer. You no longer need it, and removing it keeps your composition cleaner and lighter. Let's try the same process with another example. Import the next video and double-click it to open the Layer panel. Using the Roto Brush tool, select the car, including its shadow if necessary. Again, you can hold Ctrl while adjusting the brush size while painting.
Use the same settings as before. Alpha expansion set to 10, Fill Method set to Object, and range set to Work Area. Then enable Invert Foreground Background so the car becomes the selected object. Click Generate Fill Layer, and After Effects will remove the car automatically. Finally, delete the Roto Brush layer you created earlier. This keeps your project organized and prevents unnecessary processing. Now play the result and see how clean the object removal looks. And that's the final result. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.